In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Bcc mail in Gmail. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to open up your Gmail account, whether you're using a personal or work email. Make sure you're logged in so that you can navigate to the inbox without any hassle. Once you're in, you will focus your attention on the Compose button, which is typically located on the left-hand side of your Gmail dashboard. Give this a click, and you'll see a brand new email window pop open. In this new window, the first thing you'll want to do is enter the primary recipient's email address in the To field. This will be the main person you're addressing, and, as usual, they will receive the email without knowing who else might also be receiving the same message. Now, here's where the magic of BCC, or blind carbon copy, comes into play. Look just below the To field, and you'll see the BCC button, usually sitting right next to the CC button. Clicking on BCC will reveal a special field dedicated to this very feature. In the BCC field, input the email addresses of the people you want to send the email to, but who should remain unaware of each other's addresses. An important point to remember is that only you can see these email addresses, ensuring that each recipient receives the email without it being obvious that it was sent to others as well. This can be especially useful in business settings for sending newsletters, announcements, or invitations to large groups, all while safeguarding everyone's privacy. With your BCC list in place, move on to filling in the subject line. It's crucial that the subject clearly represents the purpose of your email because this is the first thing your recipients will see. A well-crafted subject line often determines whether someone opens an email immediately or sets it aside for later. Next, it's time to jump into composing the actual body of your email. Here, you can include your greeting, the main message you wish to convey, and add any attachments if necessary. Don't forget your usual closing and signature to wrap things up professionally. After composing your message, it's a good idea to double-check everything. Ensure that all email addresses are correct, the subject line accurately conveys the purpose of the email, and any attachments are in place. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time for the final step. Hit that blue Send button, and voila, you're done. Congratulations, you've just successfully sent an email using the Bcc feature in Gmail. It's a powerful way to protect the privacy of your contacts while still getting your message across to a larger audience. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!